Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She come tomorrow. Option D is the correct answer. Question 2. Let's go for a walk. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. He asked me if I help him. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. It's time we now. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. He behaves as if he the boss. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. I wish I a millionaire. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. He has been ill Monday. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. The teacher explained the topic clearly. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. We arrived the station early. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. There isn't milk left. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I prefer tea coffee. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. She is afraid dogs. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. The sun rises the east. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. He goes to the gym a week. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. The child before his mother came. Option C is the correct answer.